Uh, Good morning. So we almost going to reach the main city Shillong, Madan rating. This is Laikur. So our brother is also here. What's your name, brother?
My name is
Milagan Sai, and he's asking why
Why you working?
why we walking. So brother, we walking because we the Tiprasa, the son of soils and the indigenous peoples of Tripura, we lost our lands because of the influx of the illegal migration. So many refugees and illegal migration from Bangladesh, they are coming to our state and they make the voter IDs, Aadhaar cards, and they became majority, and the local peoples they became minority. Because of that, we lost our political rights. So majority must be granted now. So the majority is the legal migrants, and they have political rights, they have economic, social, everything in their hand. So that's why it's a long pending demand of our Tripura peoples. So our Maharaja of Tripura, Maharaja Pratap Vikram Kishore Manikya, he also started a movement from since 2019.
How many days you have been working, brother?
Huh?
How many days you have been working?
We already worked 16 days, approx 16 days, and so it's almost 450 kilometers up to Shillong, 470 maybe.
What state is this?
Huh? No, we have to go in Delhi. Our destination is Delhi, so it's against the illegal migration. This protest is. So we want to award the central government, and we have one demand. Greater Tripura, that is Greater Tripura separate state, and like before that, maybe 1968 or 70s, this Meghalaya is also under the Assam. In that time, the Meghalaya peoples are not independent. They have no political rights. They are minority in Assam. So Captain William Samma is fighting for the separate Meghalaya. That's why now you get your Meghalaya state. So like that, we are also demanding a greater Tripura land. And our so many lands are now under the Bangladesh. Also, this is called the plain Tripura. When India is divided, in that time, our plain land that goes under the East Pakistan meets the Bangladesh. So and so many illegal migrants are also coming in Tripura. So that is the main fact. And now central government before 18 months ago, central government, they promised us and they make tripartite accord along with our Tiprasa peoples and through Maharaja Pratap Vikram Kishore Manikya, state government, Tiprasa peoples and the central government. There is a tripartite accord. The name of that accord is Tiprasa Accord, and they promise to fulfill this accord within the 6 months. But it's already 18 months. Already 18 months. It's crossing 18 months also, 19 months. So they forget their promise. So that's why. So we want to again remind them. Want to remind them their promises. That's why this is a long march, historical long march, which was launched by myself and so many people. They are supporting this march, Tripura peoples, and many khasi and Jaintia peoples, brothers, sisters, they are also supporting this, and they are showing their solidarity along with us. So it's this fourth march is following the principle of Gandhi. Okay. I am following the principle of Gandhi, so it's Gandhian principle. By the Gandhian principle, I am protesting this.
Okay.
So thank you very much for asking. So once again, I want to ask you, what's your name? Your house is nearby, na?
Yeah, nearby.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, Kublai. So, borok sangga, mungkin borno saimak narga. Buci ka bobo? Buci mak na bobo. Okay. Logerok, bayrok, one subinai de, borne habu salsa, alada rajakri, kiaba Captain William Sangma Sangbrok fight kema bay, Brok Meghalaya state mankha, tak borok piyok jaka chingsa saha selai jak tangka kabong borok sawagi belai bigra kiri tomoni tabok o bisi kuri doks ni bisi kuri ngai bisi kuri sa
75
kay aboni yagolo no borok tabok chingsa sa sabai no ya or no one of the biggest tourist destination of Northeast. Biggest tourist destination of Northeast of Borok. Tabok turning Tangapon state. So we know not sick on Kabai based in Ibrasa rock. O Kasia Bosong, O Kasia leader rock, O Kasia Neta rock. Nor one sock the Gankay. Tamni bagay ani yatek tupu ani bagay di yatek tupu na norne bagay tupu omlo one sok desi oneta rock okay sen sini haki pili mana bagay try to makai nai tama manai mai abo uli kok kintu coba to khai ma tongnai coba khai oi komori thama sai coba khai komori thama nin chau coba khai oi si komor na hinga ke amo hanggang ke sini bosabotai na sang tama hamjang maklai ne ba sini bosabotai na bomotai ha sang borona present rek la maklai ne ba nasigi na je sini dopane nirman no otam sana boiba nasigi tong ke ba monayo ke ba maya nangzau ke ba khairok zau ke ba sang sewan sunar biya so bus kangot sang joton nai singnai Norok joton file de so bo jaga bathak leni kamang dara isa sai rahe
alo godam nearest
alo godam ne kana custom o custom rock no money kana wa office ajaga agana gini sung bathak nai ke joton file jade so norok fire bathak de angaro sopaya phano angana gini hone kiseres na snes come by so thank you very much.